Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm back. Same day the BlendMount arrived, so I'm excited, right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna do an unboxing and we're gonna connect everything. The product number should be BNR 3032, and it's for, as you can tell, Uniden left-hand drive. There's multiple parts to this product. This is the clamshell, or this is where it fits over the mirror, and this is the body. There's multiple adjustment points. This part right here swivels back and forth. These two bolts here, hex bolts, give you vertical adjustments to see how high and low you, or how the space you get from your radar detector to your monitor. And in order to adjust this part to have it fit over your mirror stem, you're gonna have to remove or loosen these bolts from the body. So I'm going to loosen everything up here to make sure it clamps over. And it's done. I just want to make sure I can adjust the mirror. Next thing you have to do is just kind of put the body back. This is the body. Well, this is the swivel part. So I got some angles like this. I'm just going to tighten everything up. Alright. Alright, so this, by modifying these two bolts, you get vertical positioning. Alright. And then by modifying this bolt right here, you get swivel. Alright, so basically we want it as straight as possible, which is here. We're going to secure the swiveling bolt. So I think we could go all the way to its highest position, and then just go ahead and just hand tighten it first. Hand tighten the other one, and then go back with the hex key. Right? What do you guys think? I like it. I think it looks OEM as hell. Such a solid product. BlendMount definitely went ahead and did the research and customized for each company's mirror, and they did the same thing for the Volkswagen. And here's the height from the radar detector in the mirror, probably like I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches max. And it's not going anywhere. It goes up and down like this, I guess. in case of a bumpy ride, this tape, in addition to protecting or chafing the logo, it's also to pad it up for noises. The cable I looped around, and as you can tell, it's right here. And I looped it around so that it's shorter, it's more camouflaged, and overall I'm happy. What a great product so far, I guess. Stay tuned for the R3 review.